guests can come to our house
Okay.
to to give first here.
Yeah. Hi everyone. I am so glad today that I have 3 guests with me. They are all engineer from one company who has come and fixed our AC in the room. So after I converse with them, I feel so happy that I used to heard that people say Indonesia people with the Khasi people in India, we are almost the same with the culture. So I cannot prove that how, but today when I met this friend of mine who will introduce the name, who will introduce the tribe that he came from, and then the connection that we have with this betel nut, it's kwai. In his village also, his mother, his parents, till now, they are still using this. So I would like to hear from you. What is your good name, bro?
Ferdi.
Ferdi.
Yeah.
And you?
And my name is Jack.
Jack.
Yeah, Jack.
You?
Andre.
Andre.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell us something about this. How do you use this?
To use every guest can come to our house
Okay.
to give first here.
Yeah. Okay.
It.
Okay. We
And
used to.
a second
Ah.
before we give coffee and we give first here.
Okay. Okay. What do they call here?
Pinang in Indonesian language, pinang.
Pinang.
In
Okay.
bahasa.
Okay. And then you have leaf also. Leaf.
Yeah.
And then white lime.
Yeah.
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 Correct.
Yeah,
So,
correct.
okay. So same like us only. Like
Yeah.
pentak.
Siri, daun
Siri.
siri,
Down siri.
yeah.
We call this tempo.
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 Oh,
And then we call this one kwai.
oh.
And then we call this called shun.
And in Indonesian kapur siri.
Kapur siri.
Yeah, kapur.
So you used to give this when the guests came to your home, right?
Yes.
Before you offer tea or a coffee, you
Uh-huh.
used to give this one,
Yeah, first.
correct? And then what else do you need this? Like where do you give this again?
Party,
Yeah, party,
marriage
ceremony.
party,
Marriage? Marriage ceremony?
Ceremony.
culture ceremony,
Okay,
and death.
in that.
Death. And
Okay,
death,
when
yeah.
somebody died,
Yeah, every ceremony.
every ceremony.
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
Card ceremony,
Okay.
Regional ceremony,
okay.
and use first.
This is called fest.
Yeah, first. Yeah.
Fest, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why in our culture also we call khasi. Whenever people visit our home, we used to offer this kwai only.
Oh.
Okay, and after that we offer them tea, coffee, lunch, dinner, whatever.
Yeah.
So even my grandma, my parents also
Yeah.
after finished tea, they used to eat this one.
Yeah.
What
yeah.
about you?
Yeah, same.
Same.
Yeah, same.
Your parents
yeah.
also do this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Every time
Ah.
after lunch, after breakfast, sometimes before wake up from in the morning, they eat first.
The
Yeah,
first.
first.
Okay.
Yeah, in the morning
Okay.
first. When my parents wake up, the first before drink coffee or tea or lunch or breakfast,
Okay.
and the first.
So I want to ask again one thing. After people died here, they burn the dead body.
Yeah.
They burn, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And after when they burn, they used to go and peel this one half and throw in the fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the grave. In the
In the
grave.
grave.
We put in the grave. On the grave.
Okay.
On the grave. On the grave.
Same like
yeah.
us. Same like us.
Yeah.
So that's why I feel that when I came here, I was so connected with the people from Indonesia. So the same thing, I could feel that even after somebody died in the family, a same practice by our ancestor in our state, that we used to burn the dead body. That ceremony, we used to peel this betel nut half and one leaf with full leaf and apply the lime at the back. We used to go and throw in that place that they have prepared for burning the dead body.
Yeah.
Okay, so I feel very nice to meet you,
Yeah.
and to through the culture we connect.
Yeah,
okay?
connect,
Through
yeah.
the culture to connect.
Yeah.
I could feel that. As time passed by, me also I am a Christian, and you also are Christian.
Yeah.
You also are Christian,
Yeah.
and my bro here is
A Muslim. Yeah.
but we are connected through the
Yeah,
culture.
yeah.
So I feel very nice. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you very much. Have a nice
And-
day, bro.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Nice. So these are all as my grandma, my grandpa, they used to teach us that wherever you go, please remember that betel nut is the one who connect friends and who connect new people to come closer to our heart. So with this video, I feel that my people from Meghalaya, they should come and visit Indonesia and meet the original people of Indonesia with the tribes that they use betel nut, so that you will feel connected whenever you come there. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.